Hey there, good morning everyone. Welcome to another edition of your Monday morning market update here at Gateway Mortgage Group. I am your host, Sean Richard, here in the lovely city of Grapevine. Thanks so much for joining me this morning. I hope you had an incredible weekend and looking forward to a phenomenal week this week. So we've had a pretty much a roller coaster of a ride over the last week and a half to 2 weeks with mortgage bonds, mortgage rates, 10-year treasury. They've all been flying all over the place. Last week, we spent the majority of the week trading in a very wide range on mortgage bonds, and that was just below the 50-day moving average. On Friday, we were actually up 33 basis points and broke above our 50-day moving average on mortgage bonds. And this morning, we're actually up about 11 basis points. We were up 13 a few moments ago, and we're now between the 25-day as a ceiling and the 50-day moving average as a floor. So it's a new range, but it's a much smaller range than we saw last week. What we're going to have to keep an eye on this week is going to be data coming out on Friday, which is going to be PCE, which is personal consumption expenditure. This is the Fed's favorite metric when it comes to measuring inflation. Now, PCI, CPI, Consumer Price Index, is kind of what the market looks at for inflationary data, and CPI was up. It had ticked up, which indicates inflation might be on the rise a little bit. So it'll be interesting to see if PCE does the same thing this Friday. That could have a negative impact on mortgage bonds and ultimately mortgage rates. So we'll keep an eye on that. Outside of that, love to see that we're in this new range. We've had a great run over the last several days, so hopefully we can keep this up. For all of you looking to purchase out there or refinance, rates have come down over last week, which is fantastic news. And really looking for a spectacular week, but we're going to play it with a little bit of caution heading into Friday with the PCE numbers coming out. So other than that, don't forget to check out the charts above in the Twitter link, so that way you can see that range that we're trading in between the 25-day moving average and the 50-day moving average. We actually just ticked up again to 13 basis points up on mortgage bonds. So stay tuned for somewhat of a wild ride this week and see if we can't hold this new range that we're in. But the charts above, leave your comments or questions below. And as always, you can reach out to us at 817-406-0260. We'd love to do everything we can for you. Have an incredible week. Bye.